Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Simmer your bones long enough, but not too long yet. If you cook your broth too long, it will develop overcooked, off flavors that can become particularly unpleasant if you've added vegetables to the broth pot, which tend to break down, tasting at once bitter and overly sweet.
Take our lead.
The stock will last for about a week in the fridge. You can freeze the cooled stock and it should maintain taste and quality for about 4 to 6 months. You now have the most wonderful low-fat turkey stock to use in making a delicious turkey soup or to freeze for later use.
Take our lead.
Bring the stock to a rapid simmer over high. Do not boil. Reduce heat until bubbles barely break the surface. Simmer until flavorful, about 2 hours, skimming stock with a ladle every 30 minutes to remove the fat.
Let's help you make your mark.
Cooking low and slow gives you good conversion while preventing fat, minerals and other gunk from emulsifying into your stock. Boiled stock will be cloudy, greasy and have a lower yield. To avoid that, start with cold water and your bones, or veggies, if you're going vegetarian, and put over high heat.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Refrigerate soup stock overnight and skim any congealed fat from the surface in the morning. The juice will gel up after being refrigerated, but will dissolve when stock is reheated later. This is because of the natural gelatin in the turkey bones. The stock will last for about a week in the fridge.
Let's help you make your mark.
Turkey stock is made primarily from bones while broth is made from more meaty pieces. I find broth usually has more flavor and to be honest, I make both the same way. Either can be done on the stove or in the slow cooker.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.